Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Samudra Samanto. I am from Kolaghat. Today, I will share about one of the topic about the journey of Jhargram for the cause of one of the performance in Ratha Yatra. The day was last Sunday. Date koto? 7th of July. There was a program in the Jhargram town. Uh, the program was booked uh, 2 months ago. Uh, I don't know about the program. I have no information about the program. The leader of our team uh, tell me 2 days ago before the program. After that, the day was Sunday. At first, I got up near about 9 a.m. Then I take the shower and got ready. After that, the practice room, the rehearsal room was মানে আমাদের বাড়ির পাশেই, near about my home. And then uh, the car came and for the কি বলবো, pick up the luggage. And then near about 11 a.m. the car pick up all the luggage that are drums and guitars are there. And after that, near about 11:30 the car started. And after that, মানে বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে অনেকে উঠছিল। হ্যাঁ, different artists are got up from different joined us from different places. And then we hold মানে থেমেছিলাম, কি হবে ইংলিশে, halted, হ্যাঁ। Then he halted at Khargapur for some tiffin near refreshment and take some refreshment. And then after near about 1 p.m. We again started our car and started to go to the কি বলবো ওটাকে, spot, হ্যাঁ spot সব ভুলে যাচ্ছে স্যার, to the spot. And after that near about 3 p.m. we go to the we arrived at the spot. And then we looked that there is nothing, মানে কিছু নেই সেখানে, nothing was there, just one stage are there and nothing was there. And after that, the কি বলবো ওটাকে, the sound engineer started his work and started to set up the sound system. And uh, he he took 3 hours. He took 3 hours to set the sound. And after that, near about uh, 5 p.m. near about 5 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. He told us to check the sound. And after that, we check the sound one by one. And after that, at first we think that basically we make the Bollywood songs, but the spot was rural area, so our song could not be acceptable there, we thought. But after that, when we start to check the sound, uh, at first we check the sound one by one. At first drums, then keyboard, then guitar, then the bass guitar, like that. And then after that, after 1 hour, near about 7 p.m. There was a মানে কি বলবো, সবার একসাথে সাউন্ড চেক হয় আর কি। হ্যাঁ, the group sound checking was there. And when we started to check the group sound checking, our singer told that মানে আমাদেরকে জানতে হবে এটা কিরকম জায়গা, we have to know the audience, the type of audience. And they get information of the audience. And then after that, our singer, he was an experienced singer. And he told us he will sing 2 songs. One is রূপম ইসলাম নীল রং ছিল ভীষণ প্রিয়, আর সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে লাল পাহাড়ির দেশে যা। So when we started to sing Lal Pahadi Desya, then some audience came. But when we started to sing Rupam's Fossil song, then there was huge gathering automatically came. So we Jhargram town. And after that, মানে আমরা তো যে ভয় পাচ্ছিলাম যে হবে না, we were, না ভয়টা যে পাচ্ছিলাম এটা হবে না এরকম। হ্যাঁ, our conception was different, that is was a rural area, they will don't accept our song, Bollywood songs or rock songs, but they don't unfortunately they, হ্যাঁ, না তারা তারা আমরা ভেবেছিলাম হবে না, তারপর দেখি তারা ওই ফোক সং পছন্দই নয় তাদের, বাট আফটার দ্যাট উই লুক দ্যাট দে ডোন্ট লাইক দ্য কি বলবো মানে ফোক সংস, অ্যান্ড উই স দ্যাট ইন দ্য ঝাড়গ্রাম টাউন দেয়ার ওয়াজ নো কি বলবো পুরনো যারা থাকতো তাদের খুব কম লোক, স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা ওখানে কম, হ্যাঁ যারা বাইরে থেকে গেছে। So after that there was some cultural program of the children's from there, and after that near about 9 p.m. we started our program. So at first we started a song by Bengali songs, then there was some audience are there and ছড়িয়ে যাচ্ছিল অডিয়েন্স আর কি, মানে তো আস্তে আস্তে ছড়িয়ে যাচ্ছিল অডিয়েন্স, হ্যাঁ just catching here and there because of we started with some Bengali songs like Hemanto Mukhopadhyay, Manna De, traditional songs. Basically, the traditional songs are sung by the female singer, and after that, she told us that the peoples are peoples are catching. We have to arrest the audience. After that, she told us to change the কি বলবো মানে type of the songs, and he started to sing Kavita song. After that, when he started to sing the song, uh, near about 2 minutes after he start the Bollywood song, after 2 minutes there are মানে যারা চলে গেছিল তারা আবার ফিরে এলো, the audience came one by one. After that there was a break after 1 hour, 1 hour there was a break for 20 minutes, near about 20 minutes, because of the drummer was so কি বলবো মানে tired হয়ে যায় ড্রাম বাজাতে বাজাতে টানা, the drummer was so tired, so there was a break near about 20 minutes, and after that when the ব্রেকটা শেষ হলো ওটা কি বলে, when the break ends, then our male singer will got on the stage. The male singer, he was a experienced singer, so মানে কি বলবো মানে আমাদের ফিমেল সিঙ্গার যেরকম ভাবে ওঠে ও সেরকম ভাবে ওঠে না, হ্যাঁ his entry is something different, like our female singer when she got on the stage, at first she got on the stage with the guitar and start to sing, after that we start to play, but our male singer, he is an experienced singer, he got on the stage like মানে সে নিচে থেকে একটা গান শুরু করবে, he starts from the not a কি বলে না অফ স্টেজ না এটা কি বলে গ্রিন রুম, from the green room, and the song মানে যে গানটা প্রথমে গায়, the song he sings first, this song at first this song's part was mine part, ওটা আমি বাজাই সবার ফার্স্টে, so when he so after the 20 minute no one on the stage, everyone was drinking water of the stage, but মিউজিশিয়ানস অলসো, কারণ ওই যে ওপরে যে ওই যে গানটা শুরু করে ওই গানটার প্রথমে 3 মিনিটের পার্ট আমার একার থাকে, হ্যাঁ দ্য টেক রেস্ট ঘুরছিল পাশাপাশ করে, হ্যাঁ তারা ঘুরছে, হ্যাঁ বাট I got on the stage, and after that the stage was all lights are off, and I start to play and the selfie lights on me, এটা স্যার বাজে এক্সপিরিয়েন্স বলছি, ওই স্যার লাইট গুলোতে না বাজানো বহুত কষ্টের আর কি, মানে ওই লাইট গুলো এত কষ্ট হয় বাজাতে, মানে ওই লাইট গুলো গায়ে পড়লে গাটা পুরো, ইংলিশে বলবো আচ্ছা ইরিটেশন নয় ঠিক মানে কিরকম একটা হয় মানে যেন শরীর থেকে বমি হয়ে যাবে এরকম একটা ভাব হয়, একসঙ্গে 5খানা লাইট যদি গায়ের উপরে ফেলায় ওরকম। So after that After that, mm, I have I have a guitar solo for 3 minutes, and when I started to play the guitar solo, then the lights was off. The crowd was also scattering, but when I started to play, they all came here. But what is happened? There is no musician. One musician is playing. What is happened? After that, the all musicians came on the stage and started to play. And when the male singer was on the stage, there was near about 2,000 people there. There are 2,000 people there, and we contact for the program near about uh, according to the contact paper, there the program was near about 3 hours, but মানে এত লোকজন চাইছে ওখানে, the people the audience was demanding there, we continue the program near about 4 hours. করতে তো হবেই স্যার, নামতে দেবে না, কি বলবে? Huh. But the singer was don't tired, and we also don't got tired. But the drummer was very tired. See, মানে ও সরি হি পেছন থেকে বারবার বলছিল ওটাই কি হবে ইংলিশে, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, he was telling repeatedly that I'm tired, stop the program. But the bass guitarist, he told one more song, and after that near about কটা, এবার 12 AM না PM হবে ওটা, রাত্রিবেলা। Up at 12 a.m. we finished the program, and after that we got down from the stage and takes the dinner that was provided from the club, and after that we came back to the home near about 3 a.m. and the personal experience that I will say that the organizer from the rural area are better than the town area. Angle, because of the organizer of the rural area give the respect, proper respect, but the town area they তারা ভাবে যে একটা এরা লেবার টাইপের ভাবে, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, but the from the rural area they give us proper respect. After that we came back to home near about 3 a.m. 3 no sorry 4 a.m. and then I go to sleep. And that's all about my recent experience of the program. একটা ফোন করছি।